In this video, guys, I want to talk about the fluid line clamp set available at Harbor Freight. You know, traditionally, if I needed to clamp off a fluid line, I would usually take my vice grips and adjust them to wherever I needed and just clamp onto that fluid line. But there are several things I don't like about using vice grips. Number one, I don't like the sharp teeth. I don't think that that's very good for whatever line it is that you're clamping onto. Number two, you can see that when you do the clamp, you know, it's not straight across here. It's wider in here, so it's almost like you've got to clamp even tighter than you'd like. Sometimes you can't clamp completely because the line is smaller and this doesn't go tight enough. So anyway, guys, I wanted to try out these fluid line clamp sets, or fluid line clamp set. And overall, I found them to be pretty good. Now, this isn't much of a fluid line. This is just a little piece of tubing here, but this is just to kind of show you what I'm talking about. So if you want to cut off a line, all you do, obviously, is, and these open up like that too, but all you have to do is open it up and then start clamping down. And what I like about this is that it squeezes the line, whatever it is you're working on, it squeezes it evenly. And you know, you just apply as much pressure as you need to stop the fluid flow. So I found them to be pretty useful. And obviously $7 with a coupon, a lot cheaper than a lot of the alternatives out there. The other fluid clamping devices I saw were, you know, considerably more expensive. So I felt like this was a pretty good deal. Now, my one concern with these is that the workmanship is a little bit spotty, and I'll tell you what I mean. So for example, and I don't know how much this is going to show up on camera, but the way that this works, and I'm going to try to show it from a couple of different angles, this is much wider over here than this space here. Ideally, you'd like this to be even all the way across, not wider here and tighter there. So that's a little bit of a workmanship kind of issue. Some of them are fine, like this 1-inch one is a lot better. You know, it's when you open it up and you close it up, this tends to be even. The gap tends to be even, so that's better. And this is the one probably you're going to use more than any other, by the way. That's the one I've used more than any other, the 1-inch one. So that's a little bit of an issue. Not too bad on this one, as you can see. And then this real small one, it's fine as well. It's mainly on this larger one here, the 1 3/4, where the workmanship is just not quite that great. Other than that, I would say that these are pretty decent. I would say if you need a set of fluid line clamps, these will serve you much better than a pair of vice grips. And they're also considerably less than the other ones I was looking at by different companies. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a quick review of these and let you know that I think they're pretty good and they're worth getting, especially for $7 with a coupon. And that is it for this video. If you like these videos, feel free to like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.